Motherfucker.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Checker, swinging sword lecture, closing down the sector, supreme neck protector. Better want him kids, Mr. Lester. Warming pot, about to blow his lid from the pressure. Too hot for TV, for cheesy. Too many wanna be Harvey Easy. It's all in together, going on, not together, but don't take one completely. Still homes and never satisfied like the stone. We don't condone writing, see them selling crossbones. Protecting what I'm writing, don't clash with the titan. Who blast with a license to kill rap recycling. Come on, in the zone with your nigga from the group home to Cal.
Fuck your lifestyle.
Put your lights out, get this shit to crackin', got you feeling with your pipes out. Time for some action, surfing the avenue, mad at you, where I used to battle cruise. Back when Internet had that attitude, cover me, I'm going in, walls closing in. Got us busting off these pistols, my niggas got issues again. Same song, armed with the mega bomb, blow you out the frame, then I'm gone.
Yo, I was going too, but we roam. Cellular phones, doc meth, back in the flesh, blood and bones, don't condone. Spin bank nose and homegrown. Suckers break like turbo and ozone. When I grab the broom, moonwalk, platoon hawk, my boom spark, leave you in the blue lagoon lost. True, B9's in the club with Masood, he died in the glove, right behind on the balls. Haters don't touch, players both up, now my neighbor doped up, got the cable hooked up. All channels, lift my shirt